Now, Kenya is focusing on connecting those living in remote and marginalized areas to the national electricity grid, off-grid solutions, and the integration of renewable energy technologies as the country targets to connect every household and business by the year 2030. This is contained in the draft National Energy Policy 2025 to 2034 that is currently undergoing public participation. Under the draft policy, Kenya plans to provide universal access to clean cooking by the year 2030, reduce reliance on traditional biomass fuels, and promoting cleaner, healthier alternatives.
There are several strategies which are being called for in this policy. One of them is, of course, to develop power production from renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources, the cost of production is coming down drastically.
We can equip our boreholes with the solar water pumps. When we have this water, our people can use for domestic use and also for irrigation. That means we are able to produce food for our people.
We are also trying to ensure that the stakeholders are well engaged and sensitized on the petroleum policy so that we can get areas of improvement as well as maintaining a clear roadmap towards launching of this national petroleum policy in June of 2025.